All right, so I'm going to show you how I would do a seatbelt install for this Baby Trend LA35. Much like when we were using the anchor install on the side, one thing we're going to need to make sure of is that this seat is not leaning this way, is not leaning this way. It needs to be straight on and as level as we can make it. So, while normally to install a seat base with a seat belt, I would probably go to that side so I can pull against, so I can pull that way with it, or I'd have the parents do that. In this case, I am once again going to be coming at it from this way. So I put the seat belt through. I will now lock it. I would probably have my parents come in and, pull so they're involved. But I am going to push in, visually eyeball it, make sure it's not sliding off one side of the dip or the other. Pull my seatbelt straight up to the side, and it's nice and tight and hopefully level. We'll see. Okay.